By 2050, the global population may near 10 billion people and, in order to feed the world, food production will need to increase by approximately 70% with adoption of sustainable practices. The global dairy sector, comprising of 1 billion people, provides nutritious food, comprising many of the macro and micronutrients, to 6 billion people around the world, with an increase of demand up to 74% by 2050. Despite dairy sector being a strong contributor in meeting global food demand, the sector poses several productivity, environmental and resource utilization challenges, mainly due to lack of customized region-specific balanced feed formulation, resulting in resource wastage, lower yield per cattle, increased cost of production, and higher greenhouse gas emissions. The major factors are adoption of traditional ration formulation practices and lack of knowledge due to complex chemical composition of feedstuff ingredients to map with nutritional requirements of specific cattle, which embarked us to design a solution that would provide data-driven ration formulation for optimum resource utilization, cost optimization by suggesting alternatives in formulation based on market price and availability, easy access to quality feed supplements based on animal vitals, and customized recommendation tool for higher productivity and lower environmental impact, which led to the birth of NutriCow, which is a farmer-centric data-driven platform to formulate least-cost balanced ration using IBM AI services, IBM object storage, to meet the nutritional requirement of bovine in terms of energy, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Once the farmer registers on the app, he can either check the nutritional value of the current feed composition by inputting types of feedstuffs and quantity to derive where to improve on, where he can get recommendation on feed mix formulation along with the quantity to be fed as per nutritional requirement for selected bovine based on vitals. He will also be guided to marketplace of customized feed supplements suiting his specific requirements to place orders online along with inventory management and sustainability insights. Farmers can be benefited from the knowledge sharing section on dairy farm management practices with an aim to create farmers community to interact with fellow farmers on best practices adoption. We are utilizing Watson speech to text to process the audio and extract text to input fields for nutrition recommendation, Watson translation to translate the text to desired language along with IBM's object storage to store the translated text as document by application. This is NutriCow as it stands with initial nutrition dataset compiled and MVP completed. However, more ideas in the pipeline to be built are adding reinforcement learning to ML model and cow weight estimator using image processing system feature and total system optimization and public access preparation. As such, we hope by adopting NutriCow, the dairy farmers will be equipped to improve on their feed efficiency, increase in farm productivity, better informed decision making, thereby ensuring overall sustainability in production and combating greenhouse gas emissions from the sector. Making dairy sector more sustainable and responsible is the aim of United Nations SDGs and one of calls of Code 2023 focus. We answer the call by thriving to achieve below mentioned SDG goals. NutriCow. Prosperous farmer, healthy nation.